Want to check how much iCloud storage you've got left on your iPhone? It's a good idea to know your available space so you can manage your backups, photos, and other files more easily. I'm going to walk you through the steps to check your iCloud storage in a few simple moves. First, go ahead and open the Settings app on your iPhone. At the very top of the Settings menu, you'll see your name and profile picture. Find and tap on iCloud. Here, you'll see a handy bar graph that shows your iCloud storage usage right at the top of the screen. Next, tap on Storage to get a closer look at how your iCloud storage is being used. Now at the top of the Manage Storage screen, you'll be able to see your total iCloud storage and how much space is still available. Below that, you'll notice the list of apps that are using your iCloud storage. By following these steps, you can quickly check your iCloud storage on your iPhone and manage it as needed. If you notice you're running low on space, consider clearing out old backups or upgrading your storage plan. If you've got any questions or need help with anything else, just reach out and I'll be happy to assist.